Good afternoon. Today is March 26th, 2018. So we have some mixed news today, so both good and bad things. Something many of us probably already were aware of for a little bit now. So I'll start off with the ones that you definitely probably have already heard of, and so that's going to be the LitePay announcement, and then I want to cover a few other things as well. So first off, actually since many people are interested in the price, I'll just get that out of the way real quick. Basically what we're seeing here on this triangle is that we did touch on the 200-day SMA, as you can see right here if I zoom in a little bit, and we're kind of currently actually sitting a little bit above that. And in my opinion, I have some money on the sidelines waiting to see how low we go because I might want to throw some more money in there. So regarding this announcement, you probably already read, to the entire Litecoin community, we wanted to inform you that a couple days ago the Litecoin Foundation was contacted by Kenneth Asir, CEO of LitePay, informing us that he has ceased all operations and is preparing to sell the company. So I'm not going to read through the rest of it. I'm sure you already have. I'm sure many of you already know what's going on. Basically, LitePay has been kind of a disappointment for a few weeks now. So at least in my opinion, and to me, it doesn't really come as a shock. To me, it kind of just put the final nail in the coffin because that's exactly what it did. So yeah, we can kind of just move on from that. Charlie had something to say here. Like everyone else, we got too excited about something that was too good to be true, and we optimistically overlooked many of the warning signs. I am sorry for having hyped up this company and vow to do better due diligence in the future. So this tweet by Coinut Exchange, Jinji Wang from the Litecoin Foundation also retweeted this. All Coinut users will now be able to trade USD and SGD, which is Singapore dollars. So another entry point to the market for many people. And then I just want to spend the rest of this video talking about two articles relating to Litecoin. This article by betting.betfair.com titled Cryptocurrency Latest, The Rise of Litecoin and Ethereum. Mainly I want to point this out because last year at this time you would have heard Bitcoin and Ethereum essentially, and I've pointed this out before. Litecoin was not really mentioned. However, it goes without saying now, this time in 2018, Litecoin is being mentioned with the top cryptocurrencies because Litecoin is a top cryptocurrency. As the craze for Bitcoin starts to die down, Litecoin and Ethereum are on the rise. The Trade Fair team brings you the latest in cryptocurrency. Forbes have revealed that while Bitcoin remains the most well-known, other cryptocurrencies are rapidly growing in popularity, especially among younger traders. My birthday is actually on this coming Sunday, April 1st. I thought I was 25. It turns out I'm actually 24, so I'll be turning 25. So I fall right in the middle of this category here. According to a survey, 9.19% of millennials would choose to invest in cryptocurrencies over anything else if they were given $10,000. 76% said this would be Bitcoin, while 12% would invest in Ethereum and 12% for Litecoin as well. Although none of this is particularly shocking, what may surprise traders is that there's no sign of Ripple in the survey findings. Currently third in market cap, many would have expected the digital currency to be among the most popular, but evidently it's not. And this article here by ambcrypto.com, Ripple, Litecoin, Monero fall the Titans, sentiment analysis March 26th by Vinod K.A. So if we just want to go down to the Litecoin section here, there's something I disagree with in this, and I kind of just want to talk about it. Although Litecoins seem to have a kind of stability today, statistics show that the prices have been declining heavily. Where's the part I disagree with? I want to find that real quick. Dylan McKay, an altcoin expert currently staying in Berlin, says if the prices go below 129, Litecoin will plummet into the danger zone, which is between 50 and 70 US dollars. I don't agree with that. I do think it's possible that we see 130 here in the short term, but I don't think that necessarily automatically means we would go down to 50 or 70. So his figure there is 129, and we did actually dip way below 129 at the beginning of February, and we got nowhere near 50 or 70. We found a lot of support right above 100 US dollars. Not really sure where he's getting that figure. I'm not sure if he got that from the Fibonacci retracements or Elliott wave or anything like that. But I don't necessarily think that if we go under 130, we're going to automatically go to, $50 to $70. And then Neha Narula, a Litecoin investor from Dehradun, says Litecoin is currently in the selling zone. Transactions are happening like crazy now. The prices are leaning towards a bearish trend, and it is fluctuating heavily since this morning. The sellers are on it like S on Velcro. I won't curse. I've never cursed on this channel. To conclude, Litecoin appears to be struggling at the present moment, trying desperately to regain the intraday high. 40% of Litecoin respondents feel that once the price crosses 165, it will retest the 175 level, and really 170, 175 is the key resistance, and that's what we saw a few days ago as well. Back right around March 20th, we were a little over 170, kind of peaked out right at 175. That was the highest we got, right around this area. And then again, we retested it right around here. We were unable to really break through 175 though. And so I agree, 175 is a huge resistance point right now. And it has been as well. If we look historically, for about 3 months, it's been support as well as resistance, as it usually is. And the last time we broke out of it was on February 14th. That's when we went all the way up to about 250 again, before getting stuck sideways going down to where we are right now. This bullish opinion is opposed by another 60% who feel that Litecoin will not cross 150 in the near future. Again, I don't necessarily agree with that. This article in particular seems to be extremely bearish on not just Litecoin, but also Ripple and Monero as well. That's, that goes with the title here. Fall of the Titans, Sentiment Analysis by Vinod K. As far as Bitcoin, we did dip below 8,000. So, big even numbers, especially like every 1,000, so 7, 8, 9, 10,000, those are always psychological support zones. So it should be interesting to see where we go here. As far as this death cross here, it still has not happened. They're kind of just going parallel with each other at this point. And again, just because if they would cross, it doesn't necessarily mean anything bad would happen with the market. Doesn't mean necessarily prices would go down. But yes, also want to check this out on the Bitcoin Litecoin bearing, is that Litecoin bounced off of the 100-day SMA, and it's kind of testing that again right now. That's currently at about 1,800,000 Satoshis. And we want to really think and hope everyone's having a great day. Beautiful and sunny here, so it makes it a little easier to cope with everything going on in the market right now. But yes, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and liking this video. So yeah, thanks for coming by, guys. And also thank you for everybody who bought some of the merchandise on my Teespring that's in my description. We had more sales than I was expecting. Just refresh the ones that you had in the past, which I wasn't aware of. I actually am not even doing the site. Edith is the one, putting up all the merchandise, and she's the one that has the account and everything. So it is exciting. It was cool that all that happened, and look forward to some cool stuff on there. Thanks for coming by.